want to
This
hear
conference will now be recorded.
before starting the digital marketing. I want to hear you from you guys that what do you understand by the term digital marketing?
చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదా నాలుగు ఉన్నాయి అంతేనా నీకు
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Before starting the topic, just I want to understand from you guys that what do you mean by the digital marketing?
With the digital marketing, we grow up our business very well.
Okay, that sounds good. See here. Before entering to the topic, just we will just go through the overview. That agenda of this particular session is about, we will just recap the overview of the digital marketing and the SEO. SEO is nothing but search engine optimization and social media optimization and paid marketing, email marketing, and finally we will discuss with some topics. And also I need feedback from you guys. This is the major agenda of this particular session. Let's start with the topic called marketing. What do you understand the marketing? Basically, each and everyone will think about that, how to market. Before going to understand about the digital marketing, we need to understand the market research. Who do you sell it, and what are the needs, and where do you shop, and how much will they pay? Would they buy from you? These are the terms we need to keep in a mind before going to the further topics. See here, for example, Burger King, McDonald's is there. For this McDonald's, what they will sell, and what are the needs, and where do they shop, and how much they will pay. Just I want to hear you from you guys. In the McDonald's, what is the major product of this? Anyone can explain me that major product of the McDonald's?
Pizza, food, about food.
About food, right? The
Yes.
major intention of the McDonald's is what? They are selling that particular burger or different kinds of burgers to the customers. Means the price range of the burgers has to be discussed. Let's go to the
Yes.
McDonald's page where we will understand. See here, I am the simple, I am the layman structure. I don't know anything about the keywords or anything about it. Just I am typing the McDonald's where I want to buy the burger. What I will do, I will go to the McDonald's page and I will search what I want to buy. Just I will go through the price range and whether it is veg or non-veg. Then I will choose and I will add this particular product to the particular add to cart page. This is the basic structure of the marketing. What the marketers will do, they will promote this particular burger in the different channels. Here it will comes like SEO and social media optimization and paid marketing. Here in the paid marketing, we have the different variation like social media marketing and the search engine ads. We will discuss these particular topics in detail. And now when we came to this, we understood about the objective, right? Similar way, I want to understand from you guys. This is the particular website. Just now I have came to this particular website. What is the major objective of this particular website?
Shopping dresses like that.
Shopping dresses, right? What they are selling, they are selling with the offers. This is called as a call to action. Shop now is the call to action. This is the web banner in the particular web page. This is the mode objective of the website. Similarly, for each and every brands have their market research, means objective of their websites, where to and how to sell. This comes to the marketing planning. means how we need to plan. If the end of the season sale means how we need to plan, and how many days we need to plan, and how much offer we are going to give for the customers. This is the major objectives. If the objective is clear, then it is very easy and simple for everyone to understand, right? Now branding. I think now you guys understood about the branding, the name called brand term. Here, in this particular website, what is the brand? You can able to see. I am waiting for you guys. I just want to hear from you that in this particular website, what is the brand they are promoting?
Mintra brand.
Yes. Similarly, for this particular brand,
McDonald's. I mean,
McDonald's, right? See here, you understood about the market research and the market planning. Now you also understood about the branding. Now another segment called promotion. It is the vast ocean that how to promote your product, through which channels you are promoting. You need to understand it. See here, I want to promote make all tikki burger. Make aloo tikki burger. What I will do? Generally, I will type as a search result that make aloo tikki burger. What it will go? It will go to the respective pages where it is promoting, right? We have the so many websites. Here McDonald's India. Here it came on the 5th position. Why we are calling as the 5th position? When we are typing particular search query is nothing but the keyword. When we type this particular keyword, and when we enter this the particular results will be shown on the first page. This is all called as search results pages. In the search results pages, it will show the positions. It is called the search engine positions, right? When we click on this particular uh, website page, it will redirect to the website page. See here, this is the website page where the McDonald's Aloo Tikki is available, right? Similar way, the in Mintra, when we are talking about the women's apparels or the men apparels, we got the so many products over here. You want to buy the dress, right? What you will do? Best kurtas online, right? You will just type the keyword called best kurtas online. Here it will show up the search results pages where we will get the competitors as well as the particular website link. This is the search results pages. This when we type this particular keyword on the search results, it will showcase the number of URLs, right? Did you guys ever seen the particular ads? In this particular screen,
yes,
are you guys can able to see the ads?
yes,
This is
yes,
called
ma'am.
as the search engine marketing. Means when we are promoting our particular products through the Google search engine, through the platform called Google Ads, it will called as the search engine marketing results. But it is a shopping ads. Similarly, when we type Samsung mobile, it will showcase the new mobile. See here, it is the gadgets where the shopping ads will be there. If the place here, the you guys are able to see the screen, right? The place here, it will be the allocated from the Google where we will promote the particular products. These are the shopping ads. Similarly, when we go for the medicines online, order medicine online. These are the ads we will call as the search ads. These where we will promote through the help of Google Ads. See, major objective. We need to understand the major objective where we are promotion. The promotion is nothing but marketing the particular brand with the help of SEO or social media or with the help of search engine or search engine marketing or email marketing. That's called term called as promotion. You guys need to keep in your mind that promotional activities is nothing but the digital marketing activities, and the least one is called as customer service. What do you mean by the customer support service? Here in the customer support service is nothing but when the people type and order the particular product from the website and they will leave us a comment. For example, in the in Myntra website, they will go and buy this particular product, and in this for this particular product, we will see the ratings. By seeing the customer ratings, the people intention is buy to the product. The buying of the products will be happening. If the customer reviews are negative, we need to think that how to make the positive, and we need to interact with the customers, and we need to sort out their issue, and we need to have the positive review. For this particular term, we will call it as ORM, online reputation management, where the customer satisfaction will be held, right? Till now we have discussed about the functions of marketing, right? How the marketing trends will be appear. Like in the traditional marketing, there are so many channels where we will promote in a daily basis, but we need to understand the objective before promoting that particular channels. Till now, guys, did you understood about the functions of marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move on
Yes,
to the next?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
See here.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. See here, introduction of the marketing. Just we will, for example, Myntra is the product. Here, this particular kurta is there. Whom you will target? This particular product, whom you will target?
Customers.
Customers only. Means the age, gender. For which gender you will target this particular kurtas?
Female. Female.
Right? Female kurtas. And the age factor. What will be the age factor?
Women like between 20 to 30.
Yes. Yeah, good. See here, you're targeting 20 to 30 means you understood about the segmentation like demographic or what are the age and gender will be. Now geography. For which geography you want to promote? For example, my website is in India. Means the geographic will be which place? Indian market, right? This will be the geography. And consumer preferences means consumer preferences are nothing but what type of kurta they are looking about the kurtas, right? And they will also opt for the leggings. Means you need to understand that there will be the bias perspective will be the kurtas and the leggings. Means you understood about the consumer behavior. Now behavior is nothing but, for example, I now my rating is around 1699 rupees is there, but offer price we are giving at 1189. Now the people will select the size and go to the add to bag. Why they are going to add to bag? Simple question. Why they are going? Because we are offering the price. They will they will understand that they have the 30% off on this particular product. They will go to bag and they will add this particular product. This is the customer behavior we need to understand. Targeting. Targeting is a major area we need to focus. Targeting is nothing but the channels. Here's the digital marketing will come. Means from which channels we need to product. The particular product will be promoted. For example, see here, this is the offer is going to be happen. This particular kurta name is women navy blue yoke designs kurta. What we will do? We won't type that much, right? We will just type blue kurtas, right? Kurtas for ladies or sets. This is the term where we will search and market it. Here we need to understand that here so many factors are there. These are the shopping ads space. This is the organic way. Organic way is nothing but search engine optimization, and paid marketing is nothing but search engine marketing. Here, before spending the amount, we need to understand that traditional SEO and the promotional SEO. We will go in detail in the further session. Position. Position is nothing but positioning. Here we can able to see that blue kurta for ladies means here Myntra is placed first position for blue kurtas, and Flipkart in the third position, Amazon in the fourth position, right? Here position changes while we are typing this particular keyword. We will call this particular search query as a keyword. How in keywords are nothing but how many single phase and long tail keywords and phrase keywords will be available. We will discuss this in detail. You till now, did you guys understood that how you will search and go on the particular website?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's discuss about the keyword analysis. Till now we have discussed, right? When we type the particular query, this medicines online is nothing but two words. Two words is called as a long tail keywords. Generic keyword is nothing but the medicine. Medicine means anybody can type this particular keyword. So it is called as a generic keyword. When we type medicine near me, means you want to buy a medicine near the medical shops, nearby medical shop. It is called as a long tail keyword. When you search this particular term on the particular keyword on the search results, you will showcase the particular results. These are the SEO results. We will call as a search engine results pages. And here when we MedPlus is my page, then we will call as the for the particular keyword medicine near me, my website MedPlus Mart has been came under 5th position. Means search engine position is 5th. Similar term, if I type Samsung mobile phones, right? When I type Samsung mobile phones, my website is Flipkart. Where I stood, what is the number position of my website? For the Samsung mobile phones, my website is Flipkart. Where is my position? Where can I see my position? Did you understand my question? Shall I repeat it? See here, when I type the particular keyword, my website URL is flipkart.com. Where can I see my flipkart.com? On which position I can see flipkart.com? Can you able to see my screen? Okay, it is in 4th position. See guys, don't be confused. Just think that I'm saying that flipkart.com, right? It is my website. Where I'm positioned means it is a number 4. I have positioned for this particular keyword. This is called as a keyword position. We will discuss later on this particular topic. And coming to the paid channels and the organic channels, you need to understand about the paid and the organic channels. What do you mean by the organic channels? Organic channels are nothing but search engine optimization, where we will rank for the particular keyword. Here, this Samsung mobile is the keyword. We are ranking on the 4th position. Flipkart is the my website. We are ranking the Samsung mobile phone on the 4th position. It is called as search engine optimization. For the particular keyword, we are ranking all the term on the search engine. Similarly, social media. What do you mean by the social media? Social media is nothing but having Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and many more channels comes under the social media. We need to understand about the normal post and the sponsored post. Normal post in the sense, for this particular brand, we are posting a content. Here we are posting a content, right? This is called as a content creation, and we will share this particular content on the particular brand page through the normal post. Means we won't pay any promotional post will be not held, just only the normal post. We won't pay for the Facebook. If we want to promote this particular content, we will call it as a social media marketing. Social media marketing is nothing but we will pay to the particular tools where we want to promote that particular ad. For example, I want to promote this particular ad. See, here we will have the promotional activities like boost and the how many people reach and how many engagements have been held. These are nothing but the paid promotional tactics. We will discuss in detail further. And coming to the email marketing. What do you understand by the email marketing? Email marketing is nothing but the term where you will understood. I think, did you ever guys ever seen that in emails you will have the promotional mails? Did you ever seen that promotions in your email box? For example, this is the Ajio. They are saying that styles under 99,999 offer. They are promoting. See, by seeing the subject line, we will understand that they are promoting their brand. Brand in the sense, Ajio is my brand. Similarly, I want to hear from you guys this for this particular here. Here, can you able to see here? For this particular thing, what is my subject line over here? What I am offering?
Flat 40 cashback.
Yes. And what is the brand it is talking about?
Decidemi.
Yes.
Decidemi.
Decidemi is the Decidemi is the brand, and it is offering flat 40% cashback on minimum order of 48. Right? It is a email marketing. In the emails, we will get the promotional offers or products where we will click and we will decide whether to buy or not. Here, see, they are giving so many products over here. If I am interested in this particular product, what I will do? I will click on this particular link and I will go to the particular website and I will buy the particular product. This is about the email marketing. It is also generic. A similar way, it is a till now we have discussed about the organic channels, right? Did you guys understood about the organic channels? What do you mean by the SEO and the social media? Shall I move on to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, in the paid channels are nothing but we will pay certain amount to the particular tools. Tools are nothing but search engine ads. Search ads or display ads or social media ads. For the search and display ads, we will pay for the Google. Means for the Google ads, we will pay it. For example, See here, the term. This is the Google Ads tool where we will market our particular brand and we will pay the certain amount to the Google. Where we will see these particular ads. Did you ever seen the ads on the Google search engines? See here. Here my copy is Samsung mobile phones. I type particular keyword where it is coming Samsung.com. It is the ad called search ads. And these are shopping ads. Okay. Did you understood about the search ads? Search ads are nothing but when the keyword is typed, the ad is showing on competitor website, ad is showing, it is called as a search ad. With a particular keyword, we are getting ranked on the search results pages. Okay. These are called the shopping ads. Similar way, for order medicines online, I want to hear from you guys which are the search ads. How many search ads can you able to see here?
4.
4. What are they?
Order online, Apollo, and up to 50% off and extra cashbacks. Buy medicine online,
Yeah.
flat
Similarly,
18% off.
Similarly, MedLife, NetMates, and 1mg are there. These are the search ads, right? Similarly, we have the display ads. Display ads are nothing but here on the competitor websites, we will display our particular product. Here, Myntra is the brand where they are selling the watches, right? They are giving us 40% off and 58% off. These are the display ads. Image ads are nothing but the display ads.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. I am unable to hear your voice. You can go ahead.
Get our ad based on. Yeah,
I am
hello.
unable to. Yeah, now I can able to hear. Yeah, go on. Hello.
Yeah, actually, we have one brand. So how can you get that? Yeah, how can you get that brand on first page of the Google?
That is good. Pretty much good question. See here, particular brand, getting that brand on the search results page. Here we are calling as this particular terms as a keyword, right? Search queries. When you type that particular search query called as keyword on the search results pages, the brand will be shown either in the through paid marketing or the traditional means organic marketing, SEO. So I let us can I know your brand so that I can able to suggest that where you're ranking and how you can rank.
Okay, just search the SSB Technologies once.
See, the SSB Technologies is the keyword. When you type SSB Technologies, the particular keyword, your particular website has been ranked on the
Yeah,
first.
hello.
Yeah. Hello. Hello. Can you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Nothing. Carry on.
Okay. See here, when you type the SSB Technologies particular keyword on the search results, search
Yeah,
engine,
nothing.
okay. When you type this particular keyword, the
Yeah,
particular
yes,
URL
yes, you are audible.
is am I audible now? Can you guys hear me? When you type the particular keyword SSB Technologies, you will get the result like SSB Technologies in the first place. Similarly, when you go for the best online advanced software courses, this is the keyword where you need to search and note the position of that particular keyword, right? Here, when we type advanced software courses, we need to see that SSB Technologies, where it has been ranked. We need to search in these first search results pages. For example, SSB. It is not ranked. So we need to have these particular keywords on our website so that it will be ranked on the search results pages. Okay? Did you understood about that topic? Shall I go move on to the other topic, please? Here, another topic called display ads, right? In the display ads, we can able to see these particular brands, means third party brands on the particular ads. Here Myntra is promoting the watches. It is called as the display ads, where we can able to see. Similar way, we have the social media ads. What do you mean by the social media ads? Like through the Facebook, Twitter or Instagram or many more websites where you will run the particular ad on their website. For example, here you can see the sponsor ads. Can you guys able to see the sponsor ad? In the Facebook, it is called as a sponsor ad. It will be shown on the feed and the right side also. Here, see here. Here also you can able to see the ads, right? It is the social media ads, social media marketing. Means you will promote this particular post on the Facebook and Instagram, and it will be showing your ad. Where you will promote means through the ads manager. In the Facebook, you will have the ads manager. You will promote with the help of ads manager, and the budget and limitations will be held over there. This is about the organic channels and the paid channels. Did you guys understood about the difference between the organic channels and the paid channels? Can I move to the other topic?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Till now we talked about the organic channels and the paid channels, right? Now we will discuss about the email marketing. Email marketing is nothing but we will create an email template and post the particular email on the email marketing platform with the help of the third party tools like MailChimp or Map or SendPulse is the tools where we will promote our emails in the there. Here, what is the goal? We will have the goals like short term and the long term goals. Short term goals are called as, for example, in Myntra, I want to sell my product for only 7 days. The kurtas has to be sell on only 7 days. That is called as a short term goal. What do you mean by the long term? Long term is nothing but where on the particular landing page, women's apparel is the landing page. You will promote not only kurtas, so many products will be promoted on that particular landing page. Means you will segregate the there or about the kurtas or leggings or with different types of products. That is called as the long term goal. Till now we have discussed about the SEO, SMO and all structures, right? Did you guys understood about the terms and terminology? Do you guys have any doubts regarding the introduction session? Means what
No,
is
ma'am.
meant by the digital marketing and how you will promote it?
No, ma'am.
Okay. In further session, just I want to hear you from you guys. Till now we have discussed each and every topic, right? just I want to discuss, want to ask questions one after the other, so that it will be make clear that you guys have understood the particular topic. For example, here I type particular word. What do you call this term as?
Galaxy
Here I
tab.
type, yeah, Galaxy tab. What do you call this term as? Keyword, right? We will call this Galaxy tab as a keyword, right? Similar way, here these are called as, what do you do? The first, second, third, we will call it as SEO. A quick glance is given to you guys, so that you guys can be note this particular point, so that it will be added advantage for you to keep a remembrance about the particular topic. Okay, this is called as a keyword, and this is called as a SEO optimization. And similar way, when, what do you call this one? Similar way, what do you call order medicine now? Just now I have remembered, right? I have given a hint for you guys, right?
Keyword. Keyword.
Yes. Here, these ads are called as search ads, right? These ads are called as search ads. These are called as SEO, right? These are the terms you need to get remember throughout, so that it will be added a quick note. Here, these sponsor ads. What do you call this as? Sponsor ads as a social media marketing. If the normal post is given, what do you call it? Call it as social media optimization. Okay, don't worry guys, it is the first time. It will be like a sterile like things. It won't be a remember in a 1 a day. It will be uh, a very much pretty easy for upcoming days. Why? Because move on into the other sessions, you will, when we talk in detail, then it will be easy for you guys, and simple way of learning, and you guys can remember in a simple way. Okay,
Okay,
do
ma'am.
you guys have any questions or any kind of things you want to share or you want to ask for me?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, thank you. And just I want to say that just give us a feedback, so that it will be added in my thing, so that if you guys are not able to understand in the further coming session, I can able to make you understand in detail, so that it will be very easy for you guys. If you people are stuck in between, you can also come to us, so that come to me, so that it will be very easy for you guys. Okay, hope you guys understood the particular topic in detail. If not, let us know, so that we will make you understand. Hope you sir to see you soon in the other session. Shall we meet on the other session, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a nice day, and keep watching and keep learning the sessions. Okay, don't be, keep calm. If you have any doubts, just ping us, so that we will make you understand in detail. Okay, have a nice day.
Yeah, excuse me, I have one doubt.
Yeah, sure, you can
Hello.
ask. Yeah, sure, you can ask.
Yeah, yeah. How can you get the more followers and more in Instagram and Facebook?
See here, that is a good question. That is called as a social media optimization, for getting more followers. For followers in the sense, in the, see here, for this particular brand, for example, This is a brand called Kuberan House. For this particular brand, through the social media optimization and through the social media marketing, we will promote this particular brand so that people can understand and get the weightage, and we will get the followers. Here we have also the link called likes button. If in the likes button, we can promote that particular likes button and we can get the followers for the Facebook. While in the case of Instagram, it is toughest job to get the followers. You need to post the particular product or service so that the people can understand, right? When you come to the social media optimization class, you can understand in a detailed way how to get the followers and how to promote the particular brand. Okay? Did you got it?
Yeah,
Swati?
yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
yes,
you.
yes. Okay.
Soon we will meet on the next session. Okay? Hope you guys have a nice day.